Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel VBA series that is running into my channel. So friends, in my previous videos we have learned a new code where we have used the for each loop to delete all the shapes in current worksheet only, right? And today we are going to learn and write a code with which we will include our for each loop, and the code will delete all the shapes we have inserted in each worksheet in the current workbook, right? Now here in this workbook you can notice that we have sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 and sheet 4, but in sheet 4 we do not have any shapes. In the other sheets we have some shapes included into these worksheets. So we need to delete all that shapes with just a single click. We do not have much time to delete all that shapes manually, right? So let's write and run our code. Go to the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, or you can press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into it. So let's insert a new module by clicking insert a new module. You can also nest for each loops. Here we are going to write a code which will loop through all shapes in all worksheets in the active workbook, right? Using the sub procedure sub following your sub procedure name. Now in my last video I have used the for each shape, but in this video I am going to use the for each shape and we are going to name it as in all worksheets, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now we are going to declare variables. Now in this case we need two variables. We declare our variables by using dim shp as my variable, and the type of this variable will be as shape. Put a comma. Now write your second variable name. I am using ws and the type of this variable will be as worksheet. Hit enter, come to the next line. Now type and use for each loop here. ws in worksheets. Hit enter, press the tab button, indent your code, write for each. Here we have nested another for each loop into the first for each loop, right? Type shp in ws dot select shapes from the drop down menu. Hit enter, come to the next line, press the tab button to indent your code, type shp dot delete. Select the delete option from the drop down menu. Now press the backspace and unindent first code, type next shp. Hit enter, put a backspace, unindent your code again, type next ws. So that's all, your code has been completed now. Now let's run our code and let's see what happens. Go to the developer tab, click on macros, highlight that code we have just created and run that code. Look at here, in sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 there is no more shapes right now. That means the all shapes we had created has been deleted successfully. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video. I'll give you the download link of this workbook into the description box. Please check that. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.